Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can edit your photos like Koda film look kind of cinematic look. Also I'll give you the preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, also the camera preset. So let's start the color grading. First of all, we have increased the contrast. Now let's just decrease the highlights. If you will notice, then you can find the highlights are mostly desaturated, so we're gonna just decrease the highlights and just bump up a little bit of whiteness and decrease the blackness. You can just download, guys, all the preset in the links in the description just for free. So let's just reduce the yellowish tone of the hue from the HSL and just decrease the saturation to around minus 87 or something, and just desaturate the green tone. Also let's see how it actually affects to the photo. So let's make it to around plus 18 and just decrease the saturation of all the that aqua blue color and also the purple tone, also the blue tone, also the purple and magenta. We're gonna just keep a little bit to around 90% or minus 85. And here is the important thing, guys. If you will notice, you will find a green tone over the highlights, so we're gonna just make it to green color, right? So just pick the green color from here. This greenish tone is pretty much close and kind of perfect to that cinematic Koda look, and just make the saturation to around 38 or 45, around 50. This is totally up to you, guys. If you want to adjust it, you can always adjust it from here and increase a little bit of sharpness over here. And let's go to the calibration tab and just make a blue primary color to pump up, and just make the hue to around minus 12 or 15 around would be pretty much perfect, and just saturation to plus 17 or minus 10, both just keep it as minus 10. Now we're gonna just save this preset and let's name it as FP Koda Film 500 AVC. FP stands for filter preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations. Right now 2020. Now just click on the create and you are done. So we have created this preset, guys. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Now we're gonna use the same preset to other photos also. So let's just open this photo and just click on this preset and you are done. You can see the difference. It's really looking very amazing, guys. Let's try it on some other photographs. Let's try it on this. Click on this and you are done. You can see the difference is really looking, guys, very perfect for you. If you want Instagram feed to a kind of cinematic look, then you can definitely use this preset and just make your Instagram profile to stand out from the crowd. Let's try it on this. Just you click on the preset and you are done, guys. You can download the DNG file for the same preset also. All the links are given in the description, so you can see the difference is really looking very amazing. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets which we post every day. And also, guys, visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there also you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, mobile Lightroom preset, LUTs to color grade your photos as well as videos, and camera preset, and all the A to Z photography stuff just for free on that website. We upload every day, guys. Also, guys, visit our second website which we're gonna launch soon, that is filterpreset.com. Also, guys, follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then, guys, be creative and be awesome.